Are you sick and tired of getting scorch marks on the products that you're decorating with your heat press? Well, keep watching because in this video, I'm going to give you a tip or two to be able to get rid of the scorching. Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and one of the biggest challenges we see out there with apparel decorators is scorching today's fabrics. And so we've created a methodology or an acronym for you to think about to make sure you can get rid of the scorching for good. It's called the A.R.C.H method. A stands for accurate pressure. A lot of apparel decorators are scorching the products that they're decorating because they are simply applying too much pressure. These heat-sensitive polyesters cannot accept an overload of pressure. So next time when you're pressing, more pressure is not better. Accurate pressure is the first way to get rid of a scorch mark. One other tip I'll give you related to accurate pressure is when you go smaller on your heat press platen, you need to reduce the pressure a little bit because the pressure is distributed across a smaller surface. So make sure you use our perfect pressure guide that's linked down in the comments below. Download that and use that as a guide to help you get accurate pressure every time. R, reduced temperature transfer. You cannot press a transfer that goes on at 365 degrees and expect to decorate a tri-blend and not scorch the garment. You need to be able to look through the offerings from Stahls and Stahls Transfer Express and select a reduced temperature transfer to get rid of scorching. I recommend something that applies at 300 degrees or below, and there are a ton of choices, including our best-selling Ultra Color Max transfers. C, that's for the cover sheet, and it's the correct cover sheet that's important. We're all familiar with nonstick cover sheets or craft paper, but did you know there are things like flexible application pads or foam cover pads that can be used with products to help eliminate the scorch mark? By adding this extra layer of protection and using the correct cover sheet, you can have a higher likelihood of not scorching the products you're decorating. H, my favorite, heated lower platen. This is basically a heat sandwich. So instead of bringing all that temperature from the top down and scorching the outside of the garment, we are bringing more temperature from the bottom. There are heated lower platens that you can purchase for your Hotronix heat press called power platens to allow you to heat the garment from the inside out, therefore eliminating the scorch mark. Even better, there are dedicated machines like the Hotronix 360 IQ that come out of the box with top and bottom heat. Not only are these possible to decorate heat-sensitive fabrics in your apparel like t-shirts and fleece, but it's also great for decorating heat-sensitive headwear that contains acrylic and other fabric types that might scorch. So when you put it all together, you have the A.R.C.H method. We need accurate pressure, reduced temperature transfer, the correct cover sheet, and a heated lower platen. If you do all of this, I'm very confident that you'll be able to solve the scorching for good. Good luck growing your business, and thanks for watching.